This is not a real person. This character was built from scratch using AI tools that are completely free to use. No camera, no model, no design skills. I built her in under 1 hour, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to do the same thing, step by step, no steps skipped. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 things. First, how to create a realistic AI influencer with a consistent look and personality using tools you can start using today. Second, how to generate content for that influencer without filming anything or showing your face. And third, the exact platform I'm using to monetize this and how to set it up in under 15 minutes. If you've been watching my channel, you already know I don't waste your time, so let's get straight into it. All right, let's build this. Step 1, you should start by registering on the platform where we're going to build and monetize our AI influencer. The platform I'm using for this is called Fanvue. It's built specifically for creators, and right now it has one of the best setups for AI influencer monetization that I've found. Here's why I recommend it. When you sign up using the link in my description, you unlocked 2 exclusive benefits. First, you get free access to Fanvue's official AI creator course. This is a full onboarding program that walks you through how to grow your profile and start earning, and it's included at no extra cost when you sign up through my link. Second, for your first 7 days on the platform, you keep 100% of your earnings. No fees deducted. Everything goes directly to you. Now, let me walk you through the setup. Go to the link in the description. It's the very first link. Click it, fill in your details, and create your account. As soon as you're done, confirm your email immediately. This is the step that unlocks your free course access, so don't skip it. After that, you'll complete KYC, identity verification. This is a mandatory step on the platform. It only takes a few minutes, and the process is pretty straightforward. Just have your ID ready before you start. Once you're verified, your profile goes live, your course gets unlocked, and you're ready to start uploading content for your AI influencer. From sign up to a fully live profile, I did everything in under 15 minutes. All right, now you can see my account has been verified. And right here, you can access the AI course as well. Now the next step is creating content for our influencer and setting up the profile properly. So let's move on to the tools I'm going to use to generate the content, then we'll update the profile, start posting, and finally begin monetizing it. Now, this is where it gets interesting, because the quality of your AI content is what really determines whether people follow your influencer or scroll past instantly. So I'm going to show you the exact tools and workflow I use to create realistic photos, generate content faster, and keep everything consistent. Once the content is ready, we'll upload everything to the profile, optimize it properly, and get this account ready to start earning. Okay, so for creating content, we're going to use a platform called CArt. This platform gives you access to a lot of the latest AI models and content creation tools all in one place. And honestly, this makes the whole process much easier, especially for beginners. Inside CArt, they already provide AI tools specifically designed for AI influencer content creation. So if you're not good at prompting yet, you can simply use those built-in tools and templates to generate content faster. But if you want more control, you can also create everything manually by selecting a specific model and writing your own prompt directly on the platform. And that's where you can get really unique results. For this tutorial, though, let me show you the simplest way to create realistic photos for your AI character using these tools. Okay, to get started, open the tools I've linked in the description. I'm going to use the Real Waifu Generator tool to create our AI influencer's face. Just describe how you want the character to look, then click Generate. You can mention things like hair color, style, or overall vibe. In a few seconds, the tool will create a unique AI character for you. If you don't like the result, just regenerate until you get one you like. All right, this character looks good to me, so I'm going to download this image and move on to the next tool. Okay, here are some other tools I've also provided for you, so feel free to try them out as well. For this example, I'm going to use the real-life influencer photo generator to create a realistic scene for our character. To do that, open the tool and upload the image we just downloaded into the Reference Person image section. Then type how you want the character or the scene to look. You can describe the outfit, background, pose, lighting, or overall vibe. Once everything is ready, click Generate, and the tool will create realistic influencer-style photos with your character. Wow, that actually looks impressive. All of the generated images perfectly match our character, which is super important for keeping the influencer consistent. So now let's download all the generated content and move on to another tool to create even more content for the profile. Okay, now I'm going to try the Outfit Flat Lay Creator and the Mirror Pose tool. And honestly, these styles are super popular right now, even with real influencers. These tools are great for creating more lifestyle-style content and making the profile feel more realistic and active. Perfect. Now we're all set. We've created multiple pieces of content for our AI influencer, and everything looks consistent. So now, download all the content we generated and head back to the Fanvue platform, because this is where we start posting everything and turn the profile into something people can actually follow and subscribe to. And honestly, this is the part where the influencer finally starts to feel real. Now, upload your best photos first, add a profile picture, write a simple bio for your character, and make the page look active from day one. Then start posting the content we generated. The more consistent your profile looks, the more believable and monetizable your AI influencer becomes. After going back to Fanvue, navigate to your profile and click Edit Profile. Then upload a profile picture using one of the photos you generated and customize the profile however you like. You can update the bio, username, and profile style to match your AI influencer's personality. Once that's done, click New Post and start uploading the photos you generated, just like I'm doing right now. And this is where everything starts coming together. Your AI influencer now has content, a profile, and an audience-ready page that people can actually subscribe to and follow. All right, now our profile is completely ready. At this point, you can start sharing your profile on platforms like TikTok and Instagram to bring in more attention and grow your audience faster. You can also set up some of the AI configurations inside Fanvue to make your influencer feel even more realistic and interactive. The more active and consistent your profile looks, the better your chances of growing and monetizing it. If you found this useful, make sure to subscribe. I post step-by-step AI tutorials every week covering the latest tools for video creation, animation, AI influencers, and digital content creation. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.